Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now you can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and tap on it, and here find the option called brightness and select it. Once you select the brightness option, it will bring you to this menu, and as you can see we have 3 levels of brightness. We have level 1, level 2, level 3. Find the level you like and then simply tap on it to select it. And once you select the level, it will adjust the brightness and go back to the display menu. I'm gonna change it back to level 3 because it's a lot brighter. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the side button, or rather upper button, to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.